Hi, it's Melissa. We just finished a Zoom class on the wrist, and the wrist is a delicate joint and it often gets overloaded and stressed. It results in arthritis, carpal tunnel syndrome. And we worked today on learning how to weight bear through the wrist. And to do that, you have to bend the wrist backwards like that. And I've noticed that whenever we have a limitation on a physical level, there's often a reflection of that in our emotional or our mental life. So, saying no or saying stop is about setting boundaries, knowing when to say yes and how to say no. And when we work on disassembling the physical limitation, we can also influence the integrity of the emotional experience so that you recognize when you need to set boundaries and actually how to do that. So, we dealt with all of this in the lesson, and you can go to nexuspt.net and get a lot of free resources and also my YouTube channel. And that information might help you make a decision on whether this is a path that might help you down a healing journey.
That was an amazing lesson. It's an area that I wasn't even aware of. Our wrist to our scapula, right? It was crazy. I could not put both hands underneath my ribs in the back. And I was able to, shockingly, at the end. Something had released, which was shocking to me, and it felt so good. Thank you.